What's happening, everybody? It's Eric from the MMG. Hit that subscribe button because we're about to hit you with an awesome video, short and sweet. So don't forget to subscribe. Shotcut is a free-to-play video editing free-to-play. Look at me using my gaming terms. It's a free-to-use editing software, which I love. I've been using it for several years now. And sometimes when I record these videos, my face is right by my phone, so it picks up my breathing, and it's not great on the video. You can hear it in the background. I've always wanted to be able to edit this down, and I finally figured out how to do it, and well, it's really easy. So I'm going to show you how to do it. There was a whole bunch of videos online that were just AI videos that nobody actually made that were incorrect. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to actually make a video and share it so people can actually know how to do this. So I didn't realize it at the time, but you can't hear my audio from this, but now I'm going to fix this very easily. So you have to have the clip selected like I do here. Then you need to go to filters. So your filters drop down right here. You're going to hit the plus symbol. You're going to go to the audio tab. Okay. And then we're going to scroll down towards the bottom. We're going to find reduce noise audio RNNoise. Click on that. And then here's your suppression level. I actually found it's really good at the 100 level. Let me replay this with the suppression in so you can hear it. Again, you guys can't hear this, my bad, but it works really good. It was a little bit muffled, but we're going to adjust that here next. So it does, as you can tell, muffle the audio a little bit. All your low audio gets cut out. So, I mean, obviously it's going to pick up when you're speaking, which is what I wanted. So this does a really good job for me, but you can adjust it with the suppression here if you don't want it suppressed so much. So I tested a couple different measures. I tried 50% at first, could still kind of hear it. Ended up being 70% was my sweet spot. That sounds perfect for me. That eliminated my breathing, not as muffled. 70% is where I want it. But that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. It's that easy. You select the clip. So if I want to come here, right now it's at 100%. I'm going to lower this one down to 75 now because I edited my video before I was doing this. So I'll have to do it to all three of them. But there we go. Now it's set. It's as easy as that. So hopefully this video helped you because I know I was struggling to find a good video that actually did it. That wasn't AI crap. So this is 100% Eric from the MMG, 100% non-AI. Thanks for checking out the video. Hit that subscribe button and have yourself a great day.